So this is RB. And what's happening here in unleaded gasoline is, if we shift to the weekly time frame, we have this dominant weekly broken up into minor halves, further broken up into minor quarters. We are really focusing on this minor quarterly low, which is due right around the end of August time period. And you can see unleaded gasoline is not really able to get out of its own way right now. Every little uptick has failed on this weekly time frame, looking for a low to form around that time period. But just like crude, we are forming a lower cycle low on this minor cycle versus that old low. So what that indicates is that in this next intermediate term rising phase, we would look for a lower high to form and then lower again, as we have this big dominant cycle forming a low, this minor half forming a low, and then this minor quarter forming a low. This is a nested period where they're all due to form lows, and this is a period of heightened downside risk, and that goes out into early 2023 as well. If we look at the daily chart, if we look at this blue dotted cycle, that's what's been following here in RB. You can see this is the rally right here off of this rising phase on this blue cycle right here. And already we are likely forming that short-term high and then pulling back. That next short-term bottom is due right around the end of August to the early part of September, very much in line with that minor quarterly low that we have on the weekly as well. After that, we will look for this to turn back to the upside. We still have a bearish slim ribbon, bearish PO, only giving us bearish signals. So the short-term bias is clearly still negative and likely to get a retest of the old lows here around the 275 level here in RB.